everybody, I'm Mark Crooks, Product Line Manager for Vibratory and Fusion. I want to talk to you a little bit today about our new 4-deck Guardian. Most of you are familiar with our Guardian triple shaft screen. We've added a 4th deck. It allows you to basically reduce one piece of screening equipment on your circuit and also reduce the number of conveyors, thereby saving you a lot of cost and still being able to do more with less versus the competition. So keep that in mind. The 4-deck screen saves you one piece of equipment and can be more effective in certain applications. A couple of things to show you here. Right now we're showing our rubber line take-up rails, and also our, again, as we have shown you before, this is our T-Bar, as it's called, which is a urethane bucker bar material, which again lasts 3 to 5 times longer than rubber. Contact the parts department, it's really worth the investment. Okay, let's take a look. Most of you are familiar with our segmented belt guard design. Actually the same concept is used on our Anthem product. Right now you can take a look at, we're showing you here a clear cover. The idea here, it's an R&D project right now, but it's related to housekeeping, where customers sometimes don't have the time in the morning to check if their belts are tight or if they're worn or frayed. Really important thing to do every morning. With this concept, we're trying to see if this would help customers where they can walk around their plant and visually look to see if they have any belt damage. We're not sure if it'll turn into a product, but we're testing out to see if what sort of feedback we get. The segmented belt guard design, it's a 5-piece design. It's designed to make it easier to install your belt guard and also for any maintenance work that you might want to be doing. This is our portable oil filtration system. We have this available to help prolong the life of your Guardian oil. And in many cases we believe this will lead to 3 to 4 times the life that you get. You all know oil's expensive, so check one out, contact the aftermarket department and get one into your shop. On units in the field, we can supply, the aftermarket team have created a really cool kit working with engineering. We can retro your gear case to add a port so you can work with our oil filtration system. So don't feel that you can't buy one. We can get you taken care of on old screens and also new ones coming through. All right, most people are familiar. This is our hinged access cover and our knockouts. Really nice feature that customers can convert their screens from dry to wet, and also for accessing to change out media. You know, if you look at a 4-deck screen, it's kind of tight in there. I'm not able to get in there anymore, but using these access holes, or access ports, you can move your media up and down the screen to do your changeouts. Another feature here is our pre-screening feed box. The most important part of this product is it allows the ability to expedite your fine material down to the lower decks quick and helps you get that dollar product out and where it needs to be in the product piles. So remember that option, pre-screening feed box. It's a really cost-effective option, and we can easily package it on any screen, new or old. One other feature to remind everybody is our bottle jack lifting point. Makes it safer, easier to remove your spring bases and work on your springs. Just get a bottle jack, lift it up, no need for cranes or overhead cranes. Work safe, be safe, quick maintenance.